Everybody loves to drink coffee, especially when we start our day. If we have to buy a coffee from Starbucks or anywhere else, we have to pay $1 to $5 for the cup of coffee. But just imagine if someone asks you about $100 for the cup of coffee. Yes, today I'm going to talk about the world's most expensive coffee. In fact, it doesn't made from an ordinary way. So what about a cat poop? Yucky, isn't it? But trust me, coffee made from cat poop is the world's most expensive coffee, commonly known as a Kupi Luwak. Regardless about its type, it's made from a cat poop. Cat actually eat the seeds of a coffee and poop. Later on, it's got roasted and crushed and packed. So you know what's more expensive than the Kupi Luwak? It's an elephant poop coffee. Yes, it's more expensive than Kupi Luwak. And you can get it easily. You have to book an order and wait for the queue. So next time when you have a cup of coffee in your hand, think about this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.